Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can integrate Miro with Jira. So first, make sure that you have the Jira full access and the correct Miro plan that supports integrations so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, you will open your Miro and then you will select board and then you will click apps and integration. So it should be right here somewhere. So go ahead and look for that. So once you're here, what you will do is you will look for apps and integrations, or you can also search for marketplace if you cannot find it. So go ahead and look for Jira. So as you can see, their their Jira card is, and of course you will have to upgrade first so that you will be able to integrate it with Jira. So after you've seen Jira, what you will do is basically you will just have to click um install, then you will authorize your account, then you will allow access, and then you will choose the project and select board to link. And then you will map mirror frames or cards to Jira issues, and then you will select issue type like task, bag, story, and so on. Then you will click save, and then you will test sync by updating a card in Miro, and then you will confirm that it updates Jira. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.